Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is DeAnna Rivers and I am the content creator behind The Visual Aspect. Today is going to be a little bit different because maybe some of y'all are at home, you have a little bit more time off to your to yourselves. I know there's some people that are like cleaning their apartment head to toe, and I have talked about cleaning out your closet and reorganizing a bunch over at The Visual Aspect, especially during the beginning of the year. But since there is more downtime to actually implement that, I say let's organize the closet. I should have already sent out a downloadable, like a free resource for you guys to go through your closets and kind of sift through and like figure out what you like want, what you don't want, what you want to donate. And if you haven't received that, like I'll leave a link for y'all to be able to get that resource. But for this video, I'm going to specifically focus on just organizing the closet. This is my closet here. It's kind of small compared to other closets that I've had. And then I have a few like my longer dresses and skirts over here, and then some stuff over here that I hang up for like things that I wear a lot of the time, and also just whenever I do like my style videos, I normally just hang everything up over here so it's pretty well organized. But anyway, let's jump into the video, and I hope this helps y'all just during this time. Like, everyone's going through something different. I hope you're staying inside, staying safe. And for those of us who are fortunate to like have this downtime to use for just cleaning and maybe learning something new, yeah, I just want to help y'all out with that. So we're gonna organize our closet today. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is just take everything out of my closet. Like I said, I already went through my clothes. I actually recently did that, and the clothes that I wanted to give away, they're actually sitting in my car right now because I didn't have a chance to make it to Plato's Closet or to one of the places I was going to donate them to. So they're just currently sitting in my car right now. But first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out and clean out like my closet, like the dust and the dirt and all of that. Okay, here we go. In focus, ready for the next part. So I have cleared out my closet for the most part. There's some stuff in here that I probably should just like throw out and get rid of. But yeah, there's that. I'm just like leaving that alone. That's just kind of like extra storage. And then the stuff that's up here at the top, Those are D. I just need to like rearrange it so it just looks nice, but I'm leaving that up there. But yeah, I just want to like get all of this dust. I don't know if you can see, but get all the dust bunnies out of here. I'm just gonna like dust out all of that and then start the process of, I might even do like another round of just things I still want to get rid of. Because as I was like pulling things out, there's still some things that I'm like, I just haven't worn this in so long, and it's just taking up space. So I think I'm just going to do another pass of just clothes I want to get rid of, and then keep it moving. So got my Swiffer. You might not be able to see it because all the clothes are on the bed, but I'm just gonna dust this out. Step is to put all of my clothes back in. And so what I normally do is I organize everything by type. Like I do tops, and I start from like the spaghetti strap, like the smallest sleeve, all the way to the longest sleeve. But instead this time I think I'm gonna go with just tops first, and then do it by color. So do it by type, combine them, tops, jackets, bottoms, skirts, like whatever the case may be, and then go by colors. And so I read this online because I always go back and forth of like, how do I group things? And I feel like I do it different every time, honestly. But I'm gonna go by red, orange, yellow, green, blue. It's like the Roy G. Biv acronym. So it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. We'll see if that works. And then I'll just do like my, so I'll just go into like white, gray, and black like at the end. I have to figure out browns too. We'll figure it out, guys. We'll figure it out. It's not very good. Who puts that? Who put that online? I'm gonna do it my way. I'm gonna loosely base it off of that, and then I'll let y'all know how it turns out. Wow. That was kind of annoying to think about, but whatever. Making some progress. Now it's just trying to figure out the jackets at the bottom, like cardigans, pants, those type of things. And then I have my short dresses. They're all laid out here. I have those hanging in my closet as well. So I'm gonna figure out a spot for them. This is more spread out. And what I decided to do was start, actually, I'll go into that later. Okay, I am basically done with my closet. Oh, Buckley. It looks pretty good. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, I had to make some executive decisions when it comes to everything fitting in my closet the way that I want it to look. So I started with my tops here. So at the very end, it's going to be cream, and then it's going to start with like pinks, and then it goes into reds, yellow, reds, and then there's like one orange, and then yellows, and then I added like my tan colors in there behind the yellow, and then it goes into greens, blues, and then like the violet or purple colors. And so instead of continuing it on down here, I just have like way in the back here are just like my t-shirts that they don't fit in my other drawer, and they're like big t-shirts that I wear all the time, so I just hang them up. And then some sweaters as well. Oh, but these start the gray, so I just have my grays and black tops down here at the bottom. So basically the left half of my closet is like my tops, and then if we just continue along the bottom, I start my just my small section of like skirts that I have hanging up there, and then it goes into my jeans, and then slacks over here, and then it starts into my outerwear that goes back behind there in kind of the same like colorway. Up here, I wanted to have like my short dresses still hanging, and so that's why I moved the rest of those tops down to the bottom here, so that I can have like this whole section over here, like on the right half is my hanging short dresses, so that they're not like dragging on the floor down there. And it goes like from the whites into the red, like yellow, or oh, actually I should switch that so that the orange is there and the yellow is the back there, but you know, it's not that big of a deal. The green, blue, kind of a purplish, and then that's like black, and then on the back half of it is like all of my black patterned pieces, and then my fun sequence pieces back there, and then some outerwear that I wanted hanging off the ground. So yeah, wow, this is my closet. After kind of organizing everything, I really like it. I like the format, it looks nice. I like the setup. And in this middle part, I'm just gonna hang my scarf like hook over there. And then also just, ooh, that's getting out of focus, have my basket back in that little shelf down there at the bottom, just like how I had it before. Okay, real quick, I just wanted to show y'all, I hung up my scarves there, and then this bucket has like all of my dance leotards and tights in there, and then my swimsuits, and then some of like my like undergarment things like that, and just some miscellaneous items. They were just scattered all over my room and in different drawers, and I just wanted everything excuse me, everything in one place and easy to find. So, and then just like this kind of breaks up, it takes up some wall space. I probably should actually put that up here. I just need to move that equipment out of the way, but I think I'm gonna do that just so that there's just some more space. But this like rail space here, because I'm kind of running out. But I like how the scarves here break up like the shirts and the like the tops, and then going into the dresses. But yeah, got her done. my back's hurting now a little bit from all standing, but I'm gonna quickly do my dresses and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so just finished my dresses. I did the same thing, started with whites down here and then just went through the colorway of like red, orange, yellow, green, green, blue, violet, and then just did black from there on. That was on my nose the entire time. Anyway, I just went through the Roy G. Biv colorway again, did whites and creams on the beginning, grays and blacks towards the end, and then I just did my pants, the longer pants and stuff like that that didn't fit in my closet in there. Okay, so that is the end of it. I went through and organized everything in my closet and all of my hanging things. I hope that was helpful for you and informative, something fun for you to do while we are just spending some extra time at home with family, friends, whatever the case may be, just staying safe. I know I'm going to be dusting a lot more, going through a few more like buckets of things that, you know, like collects junk or whatever. But I will definitely leave that link for the free resource to clean out your wardrobe. And then I hope you share this with someone. This could, you know, just be a fun game of like, you know, putting on your favorite podcast and listening to, that you can listen to while you do this, or you know, just listening to some Pandora, drinking some wine, going through your clothes, you know, just taking advantage of this downtime that we have. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this brought you some value, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Goodbye.